Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. As you can see, my granddaughter loves this little trike, bike, whatever you want to call it. And the manufacturer was actually nice enough to send us over to us for us to check out. Now, let me go ahead and show you this. Hey, come here really quick. All right. She's coming back. As you see, she absolutely loves it. She's been riding this around now for a few weeks. Whenever we first got it, she wasn't quite sure how to use it. It comes in a few pieces whenever you get it. Really easy to put together. It's really high quality. Let me go ahead and show you guys this. It's got a little spinner thing here up front, and it's like hard rubber is what it's made out of. Really, really nice, high quality stuff right here. I've reviewed some other stuff from Gotrax before, and I really do like this one. Like I said, it comes in a few pieces whenever you first get it, but it's really easy to put together. There's just like some small little screws and stuff, and it does come with all the tools and everything that you will need in order to do it. But overall, we absolutely love it. She absolutely loves it as well. As you can see, she rides it all around the house. So yeah, if you're interested in getting one of these, I highly recommend it. Like I said, she loves it. I think your little one will love it as well.